Welcome to Apollo Carmix. Today I am going to explain you the calibration process of Apollo Carmix concrete self-loading machine. You can able to see the machine here. So machine position should be seems like in now you can see the bucket position at the bottom. So first of all you need a calibrated weight for the calibration process. So we have here, and now I am going to explain you step by step how to do the calibration. So first of all we have to start the engine, so that for that we have to start the ignition from this key. So we are using key and starting the engine. Then we'll start again the weighing unit meter from that switch. So there is a second switch from the right side, and then you have another switch near the right side of the weighing unit. So just turn on that switch. So you have to wait for a few moments until you can able to see the operator login page. So just wait for a few seconds here. Now you can able to see the operator login. So just press enter once, and then you have to enter the password here. So here is the keypad 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. So password is for operator login is 1 2 3 and 4. Just press enter. So now you are on the screen. You can able to read the select mode. Next step is you have to press enter and wait for a moment until the screen shows calibration menu. So now you have to again enter the password 2601 to enter the calibration page. You have a two option here. You can able to see the first is weight, and you can able to see the second option here. So you can just drop down from the key. Another one is flow C at 2. So we are going to use weight option because we are going to add a weight on the bucket. So keep weight option and need to press enter key here. Enter. Then you can able to see the guided calibration option on the calibration page, and again press enter. So now the process is initiated, and you can able to read the message lift empty slow. So once you see this message, you have to lift up the bucket at the ideal RPM. Here we are going to show you. Just slowly lift up the bucket at ideal RPM. Do not increase the RPM during this process. Now you can able to see the WZS1 and WZS2 LED blinking when it shows the position of bucket up. Same, we put down the bucket in slow motion. Then again we have to increase the engine RPM maximum and lift up the bucket in speed. Same, we can put down the bucket in a same speed with the high RPM. Now you can able to see the message enter weight. So here we have to add standard weights. So we will going to do the calibration in 5 steps. So first we will put 100 kg. We have here 20 kg each, so just I am going to put 5 weights, and now you can able to see that we have put 100 kg here. Now I will show you the next step. We have to enter 100 here, then press enter. Now you can be able to message lift load slow. So we lift up the bucket at ideal RPM, like same we did in empty. And in same way, at same RPM, slow RPM, we take bucket down. Now you can read the message load fast. So we will increase the engine RPM and lift up the bucket fast at high RPM, and same we keep down the bucket at high RPM. Now again there is a message, enter weight. So we have to add another 100 kg weight here, because we are going to do the calibration in 5 steps. We have to add another 100 kg in the bucket. Then we'll again add the number 200, because the total weight is 200 now in the bucket. So add 200 and enter. Now same process, ideal RPM, slow, keep bucket up at slow RPM. And the same, keep down the bucket at slow RPM until you can read the message load fast. Then we'll increase the engine RPM, and with the same 200 kg weight we'll lift up at high RPM and put down at high RPM. Then we have again there is a message, enter weight. So again we will add 100 kg more in the bucket. Now we'll enter 300 on the screen and enter. So same process we have to follow after each load. Lift up the bucket at ideal RPM slowly, then put down the bucket as slowly at ideal RPM. Then you have a message load fast. Then you have to increase the RPM and lift up the bucket at full RPM. So this is the process at every step, 100, 200, 300 and 400 and 500, because we are going to do the calibration at 5 steps. So now here you can able to see we are lifting up the bucket fast at high RPM, and same will put down at a slow RPM. Now again we will add 100 kg more in the bucket. So as you are aware that we lifted 300, now we are adding 100, so our weight will be 400 in the bucket. So we have to enter 400 in the bucket on the screen and press enter. Then follow the same process, lift up the bucket slowly. So you have to remember the slowly means there is an engine RPM at ideal RPM. So do this process at ideal RPM, up and down the bucket at ideal RPM. Then you have a message load fast, then increase the RPM of the engine. Then again do the same process, lift up at fast speed and down the bucket at slow on fast speed. So now again there is a message enter weight. So our last step to add another 100 kg to reach 500 in the bucket. So this will be last step. So enter the 500 and enter. Now do the same process, slow bucket up at ideal RPM. Same, put down the bucket at ideal RPM. Now increase the engine speed and do the same process at fast RPM. I'm not skip any process to explain you in the same way which we are doing here. So now once you down the bucket, you can able to see the message calibration done, and you can able to escape and come back to the main screen. So now we have done the calibration. Thank you.